Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and I know you're always quite well because you're no reply any about your health or any my question. But no issue, I have some collection of 3D render Bitcoin electronic payment like cryptocurrency, photo stock or background in high definition or high quality photo. Here is 4.33 MB file. That's mean full high definition. So you see Bitcoin and app and I think AR or data. So simply you can use as a background, and you can make a thumbnail on online currency like cryptocurrency or Bitcoin etc. So I drag this file to Photoshop or a thumbnail, depend your own choice. You can do better, but I tell you just for example, apply this. So you write anything about Bitcoin, get free, or how to get Bitcoin etc. If you like, you can write anything, just use you can use as a background. Here is 25 images and in 60.2 MB files, so you can use everywhere. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.